What if the secret to attracting wealth, health, and happiness was right on your doorstep? For centuries, ancient wisdom traditions have pointed to one often overlooked feature of your home as a powerful energy magnet. In this video, we're unlocking the Vastu Shastra secrets of your front door and revealing how its unseen energies might be shaping your entire destiny. Get ready to transform your life simply by transforming your threshold. Think about your front door. What is it? A simple barrier? A way in and out? Vastu Shastra, the ancient Indian science of architecture, says it's much more. It is the silent guardian of your home and the mouth through which the cosmic life force, or Prana, enters your life. Crucially, your front door doesn't just let in people and light, it dictates the quality of the energy that governs every aspect of your life, your finances, your relationships, and your mental peace. A weak door means weak opportunities. A vibrant, well-positioned door? It's like having an open invitation for success. So are you letting prosperity flow in, or are you accidentally putting up a giant "Do Not Enter" sign? For the next few minutes, we'll dive into the common, seemingly innocent mistakes that may be sabotaging your success right now and give you simple, effective solutions. The biggest energy drain is almost always clutter and neglect. The area immediately surrounding your door, both inside and out, should be spotless. Vastu dictates that the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, will not enter a dirty or neglected space. Blunder 1. The clutter trap. Are there dusty shoes piled up? Boxes leaning against the wall? A messy entryway sends a clear message to the universe. We're full, no room for new opportunities. The fix. Implement a 1-meter rule. The area 1 meter in front and 1 meter behind the door must be clear, clean, and well lit. Install a simple shoe rack or use a decorative box for keys and mail. Blunder 2. The sticking point. This one is purely physical, but profoundly energetic. A door that squeaks, sticks, or has a broken lock or handle is symbolically showing resistance to the flow of life. Squeaking doors often signify arguments or friction in relationships. The fix? Get practical. Oil the hinges today. Repair or replace any broken hardware. Your door must open smoothly and silently, fully to a 90-degree angle, allowing maximum prana to enter. Blunder 3. The dark and dingy entrance. Energy is attracted to light and vibrancy. If your front door area is poorly lit, dark, or has dull colors, it invites stagnant, heavy energy and financial blockages. The fix? Ensure good lighting. An attractive lamp or a well-placed ceiling light works wonders. Use bright, welcoming colors or natural wood tones for your door. In Vastu, a bright red or vibrant yellow accent on the outside can be highly beneficial depending on the door's direction. Blunder 4. The facing foe. This is a common and subtle mistake. Do you have a mirror directly facing the front door on the inside? While mirrors are great for expanding a space, placing one directly opposite the entry is believed to push energy and wealth away as soon as it enters. The fix is simple. Move the mirror. Place it on a side wall where it can still expand the space without reflecting the incoming energy straight back out. Blunder 5. Missing identity. The final blunder is forgetting the energy of the homeowner. Your door should be clearly numbered and named. If emergency services or a delivery person can't easily find you, it's a sign that opportunities have trouble finding you too. The fix. Install clear, stylish, easy-to-read numbers and a nameplate. This establishes a clear identity and a strong connection between the house and the people inside. It's an affirmation. We are here and we are ready for success. The positive energy drawn in by your destiny door needs to be sustained. Your entryway is symbiotic with the rest of your home. If your door is perfect, but the living room is a chaotic mess, the energy will stagnate just a few steps inside. The key is mindful maintenance. Don't just clean the entryway once, make it a daily habit. Wipe down the threshold, check the lighting, and ensure the path is clear. This small daily ritual is a powerful signal to the universe that you value the prosperity flowing into your life. For an extra boost, consider adding a healthy green plant near the entrance to bring in living, vital energy. And always use a fresh, welcoming doormat. It's the first physical impression your home gives the world. Your front door is not a passive object. It is an active partner in manifesting your destiny. We have given you the Vastu wisdom. Now it's up to you to implement it. Take 5 minutes today to observe your own front door. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ancient wisdom for modern life.